Welcome everybody, welcome. Thank you so much for being here. Please smash the like button. Thank you for tonight. We are gonna be actually showing you insane things tonight. We are gonna be watching something crazy in the chart regarding the Ethereum price. We are gonna be actually analyzing things that no one is waiting for. We are gonna be showing insane things. What I found in the chart is actually crazy right here, guys. I think is your lucky period of time. You can just go to our crypto minder page on Twitter and of course follow. What you should do is just follow what we are doing, and of course our daily giveaway of Cardano or Dogecoin. We are gonna be giving a lot, guys. We are gonna be showing you very nice things as well to what is happening regarding Glassnode, and of course very nice on-chain metrics and technical analysis. Where we are here right now, we are gonna be explaining everything. Please smash this like button, okay? Subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all notifications so you get very nice fresh content we are sharing every time. Guys, today I don't know if I'm gonna be showing you things regarding the Bitcoin price, but I'm gonna be trying to show you insane things and what I found in the charts for the Ethereum. Now, for everyone is here, smash this like button, takes nothing from your time. And yes, I'm going directly to show you what we have in the charts, what I have been mentioning. This is the 3-day time frame for the Ethereum price. And we are gonna be technically watching what is happening in the charts. It's not me that I'm gonna show you the things, is actually what the chart shows. I don't try to convince anyone, and of course this is not a financial advice. We are gonna be going directly to the chart and what we are expecting regarding the Ethereum price right now. Where are we? Why we are pointing to what is the upside and the reasons. Okay, so I have been mentioning and I have been technically supporting the fact of what is happening on the 3-day chart. This is the RSI, as far as you know, stochastic RSI on the downside. What is a trader doing at this point is technically to show you what is happening, okay, to show what my poor eyes are watching in the chart, and this is how I'm observing the market right now. So before we start, of course, I showed in my previous videos that the chart is showing that December has been major from back 2018 for the Ethereum price. And what we were watching is the fact that this insane, of course, support line, okay, it has been major, okay. This is the one thing. Now, why we say that? I pull those beautiful lines right here, the vertical lines, and I was checking out what is happening regarding the points where the RSI has been meeting this insane support. Okay, so I just pointed those beautiful points right here, and I watched perfectly that it has been technically 5 times. This is the 5th time we are watching this support holding like crazy, So we watched perfectly that from 2018, 2019, okay, we jumped over the December 2020, and we are coming to what it shows right now. What it shows right now is technically the fact that for one more time this support line is strongly holding and showing me that it is major what is happening right now. So that's not the only thing that's not the only thing that technically makes me bullish. Okay, we are gonna be also watching what we found out by zooming in a little bit more to what is the fib levels and what they have to say regarding the analysis. So what I did was that I took the previous and all-time high from May of 21, and I technically tried to find, regarding the Corona dump, what was the major level to watch right here. So I have noticed that the 0.382 level, it was technically major. It was major. Why? Because this was the buying opportunity for the next dump, the upcoming dump that came afterwards. So I said, okay, perfectly, what we have is the 0.382 level holding. This is major, fine. I like this level. Let's see what it has to say regarding the previous swing high with swing low. So let's go right here. And again, for one more time, the 0.382 has been this insane major level to watch. So I said, is this just by luck an incident that brings me to one more insane buy signal as that one, okay, down here? So I said, well, let's figure out what is happening regarding today's price. So what I did technically, it was the fact that I did again for one more time the same thing, just pulling fib levels and technically showing you that 0.382 is again the major level to watch. Okay, and if this is impressive, guys, I just showed you the three major levels and how they are holding right now. So if you guys are impressed for what is happening in the charts, and if you haven't got chills already, then please smash this like button. I think that is major what we are going through the charts right now. And where I'm coming, and I'm technically telling you that I am very bullish on the Ethereum, is the fact that I was just pulling also the resistance lines that have been holding perfectly, okay? And I was saying that, do you know what? This cannot be like this. This cannot be like this. Are we seriously waiting for the next green candlestick just to break out to turn bullish very soon for the Ethereum price? I'm just wondering. So I don't think that I'm saying something insane. I'm just saying what the chart says. Okay, so this is what we are doing. We are observing the market since we are professional traders. Okay, so we are coming right here and we pull the support lines, and what we have at these points, so we can figure out how this could be maybe the end for the next leg to what is the upside. Okay, so what we are watching is the fact that here the support line, the 0.382, it hold perfectly. Okay, it hold perfectly. So what we saw, it was the fact that we had this insane impulsive move to what is the upside, and then we went to the downside, another major support holding right here, creating a symmetrical triangle that this broke to the upper side. That's perfectly clear. So what do we have at this point? At this point, I came to notice that this parallel channel was one insane indication that this could be the end, and that's why I am right now waiting to technically enter a long trade. So what should we expect? Many of you would ask me, okay, are we not breaking to what is the downside? Is it like any chance that we don't break to what is the downside? Okay guys, let's watch the chart. Okay, let's watch the chart. If I were you, what would I do? So this is what I'm doing every time I want to see the other side. Okay, how can I see the other side if I don't really know what is happening? Okay, so I am watching as an observer, and I am technically showing you what the chart says. So I'm gonna be standing on the other side and wondering, how could I turn bearish? How could I turn bearish? First of all, after the fib levels showing the 0.382, that is a major level. So this is the 0.382. Those orange lines are the 0.382 level on the fib levels. And what I did technically was the fact that what I pulled, what is the swing high to the swing low, swing high to swing low, swing high to swing low. So that's what I've noticed. So I said, fine. So I'm going back to the 3-day chart. I have my perfect chart right here. And I'm saying, one factor is the fact that I am holding this insane, okay, beautiful support line. So this support line is major for me. Let's delete the last one. So we are watching what is this turn. So this just bounced over. That makes me very bullish. What could make me more bullish is the fact that I would like to see a double bottom scenario playing like it played behind here. Could this happen? Yes, with a consolidation and of course an external level, an external actually time that this could consolidate a little bit more. Yes, I would like to see another double bottom scenario playing out. Well, what I noticed the fact also, it was that this one, it is an insane bull flag scenario and a bull pennant that could break to the upper side with a very nice pull to what is right here. So that's what I love. I love this scenario. So I see that many of you have some very nice opinions. I'm gonna be also checking what your guys are saying. Thank you so much. And also the fact that we are watching those very nice support lines right here, I say that this couldn't be a random thing. So how could I turn bearish? That's the wonder of everyone. Okay, so we are taking here from back 2018 up to what is today, and we are watching that we have bullish things playing out. What is not bullish at this point is not totally bullish, at least, is the stochastic RSI on the 3 days. So this, if this could trade and turn to what is the upside, then I have everything. I have explaining a major strategy for buying Bitcoin. So this strategy, we're saying that what I need is the 21 moving average, okay, being the price action should be lower to what is the 21 moving average on a high time frame. So what is this high time frame? This 3-day high time frame for the Ethereum is technically very nice. And then I said that the RSI should be under 45 level. So we watched that RSI was also under the 45 level. So for every one of you that follow this insane strategy, you see right now that we have two factors that they follow up perfectly. What was the next level? It was the fact that the stochastic RSI should be under the 20. Do we have that? Yes, we have it. So we have technically 1, 2, 3 times, 4 times stochastic RSI being this insane buying opportunity. So we have like 3 factors of this strategy for one more time being right here to serve our needs, to serve one of the best buying opportunities ever. What could turn me bearish? The fact that could turn me bearish if this breaks to what is the downside on a 3-day time frame. I'm turning bearish with you guys, and I believe that this could be the end for this cycle, and not only. I believe that this is the end and the death for the Ethereum for the next year. In case this breaks to what is the downside, at least a year under 2,800 level. So I don't want to see this. This is what my feelings are saying. But as a trader, I just see the fact in the chart, and I see that technically I am more bullish rather than I'm bearish. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. That's what I see in the charts. So as an observer right now, I'm telling you that this is one of the most bullish signals we've ever seen for the Ethereum. This is one of the most bullish signals that, and I am expecting that Ethereum will surpass the 5,200 level right now. That's what I see in the charts, and that's what I'm expecting regarding to what is the upside. Okay, so I cannot turn bearish when the chart showing me one of the best buying signals right now. So I'm going on a short break. We are back to actually showing you what is happening in the charts.
I'll go back to school for extensive training in ground school and in the simulator. We're required to get line checks periodically, and also required twice a year to get medicals to prove that we're medically capable to fly.
So we are back, guys. Thank you for being here. Please smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all notifications. So of course, guys, if you want these very nice giveaways, you can just jump into what we call very nice Twitter, and of course follow CryptoMinder right here, so you can find insane giveaways every single day. And I'm gonna try to make as more as I can. I promise you guys. So I got some questions on the chat, and I'm here to reply to what I'm thinking regarding this, guys. So I got the question regarding the Heiken-Ashi candles. So I'm gonna be explaining what is happening regarding the Heiken-Ashi. If you want to see a reversal, a clear reversal on the Heiken-Ashi, there are some rules that you should follow regarding this. What we should see, so we can understand that it's a type of reversal on the trend, when you see like a strong trend like that one, okay, then you should see the body change of the next candle. So this means that the body should be lower to what is the previous body close. The same is to what is the downside. So here we have been watching fall, and this body is actually higher than what this technically closed. So here is a bearish trend, of course. So what is the explanation? Every time you see a kind of reversal, you should see another body being higher when, of course, this is falling, and another body that is lower, okay, in case that we have upside to what is the Heiken-Ashi says. So that's an explanation. Now, if you have two candlesticks that technically are showing kind of trend, then the trend is not strong enough. So here, let's say we have 2 candlesticks, and then you have a shorter body. So that's a nice understanding that this was technically nothing. Okay, so that's why we have also a kind of reversal right here. So what we had at this point, it was the fact that this was falling. We saw a green candlestick, then we fall to the downside, but we understood that this start technically losing momentum. That's why we broke to what is the upside. So I'm trying to cover also this question. Also, you are asking me, guys, that if we are going back to the 3,500, if you are technically an investor and you are buying Ethereum, and let's say that someone says you that Ethereum is going to $10,000, as an investor, you for sure, if someone would tell you that we are the 3,730, and then you believe that is gonna go to like 3,500, then another investor that is technically doing the same thing with you would die laughing. So that's my answer regarding if you guys are waiting to buy the 3,500, if you are investors. Now, if you are traders, I'm saying that you shouldn't ask this thing. I don't try like to offend you or something. I'm just saying that is a very simple strategy to what I am doing, what most of the professional traders are doing. I've explained it many times, and I'm saying that when I'm going to this kind of levels and I am technically searching for an insane entry to take a very nice swing trade to what is the 5,200, for example, then I'm technically making a very nice dollar cost average entry to this trade. How? I am technically, no matter if I'm a big trader or a small trader, I'm sacrificing a small part of my portfolio. Why? Because I need the rest one to technically feed my trade in case this is falling to the 3,500, so I can technically buy more and continue being bullish, because I believe that Ethereum is going to what is the 5,200. So that is, of course, a very nice recipe in case you want to do a very nice swing trade. Okay, so that's how a professional trader is trading. Now guys, if you really want to become professional traders, then guys, you should for sure follow an academy, an instructor, a mentor, however you want to call it. I don't want to brag about it, but on crypto trading, something very difficult on the technical analysis, and because we are professionals, we are doing this for years, we are here to support you with the Crypto Minder Academy, doing this for years. Okay, we are not random people talking for crypto. I am personally trading the last 13 years, and we are here for you, me and the instructors, to help you out so you can become the professional trader at cryptominderacademy.com. You can find everything in the pinned comment section down below. Of course, our Telegram groups and everything, so you can become a professional trader and stop missing this kind of opportunities, and stop thinking, of course, that you should grab just an opportunity to find a YouTuber to tell you what to do. I mean, for sure, that's not the case. You want to become a professional trader, take the less money you have, invest in yourself, and make money non-stop. So many of you are here right now, many of our students, you know this very well. Okay, so please just find someone to educate you. The biggest investment is your head. Okay, so that's all I have to say. Now I'm not gonna be jumping to the charts regarding the Ethereum and BTC. I wanted to show you what the fib levels and the major strategy has to say regarding to what is an amazing buy opportunity on the higher time frames regarding the Ethereum. We are just waiting for a green candlestick to break to what is the upside. Regarding this insane resistance line right here that is holding like a wall, and of course I should enter a kind of long trade in this position in case we break to the upper side, and of course confirming. And of course what we wouldn't like to see is to break the 0.382. So guys, you have a stop loss and you have, and of course an entry point where we are right now. I hope you appreciate this content. Just smash this like button, subscribe to the channel, press the bell button for all notifications, share this very nice content we try to give you guys. This is a textbook, and what we are giving tonight is actually sick, and those buy opportunities is yes, once in lifetime for many people. Okay, so you should sit down and of course think of what we are talking about tonight. I get chills waiting for this kind of opportunities as a trader. I thank the market that give me this kind of opportunities right now to find out so nicely what is happening in the chart by knowing my stop losses and by knowing what is the buying opportunity that can take me to the sky. Appreciate what the market is giving you, and you won't regret it. Of course, you can just follow up CryptoMinder on Twitter, as we said, CryptoMinder on Instagram, CryptoMinder Academy on Instagram, Discord, Telegram group, everything you can find in the pinned comment section down below. Thank you so much for being here with us tonight. Thank you so much, and see you in the next one. CryptoMinder. Bye bye.